how to export video in CapCut without the Pro version on your MacBook or iMac or Apple device. So as you see here, I'm on a Apple Mac device here and I have my CapCut open here and I just have some random project here. So to export this without the Pro version, it's very, very easy to do. So what you want to do is focus on this section at the top right hand corner. You'll see Pro, Share, and Export. You just want to go ahead and hit Export. And once that loads up, what you want to do here is just choose your file name, choose where it's going to go to. As you see, there's no issue with the exporting of the video because I do not have a Pro version, but you will have a watermark on your file here. That is the only downside to not having the Pro version. So we can just go ahead and hit export and the video will export. And it should take another couple seconds. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Go ahead and hit cancel, and then you can go ahead and find where your video is, or you can sign in and upload it to YouTube or TikTok if you want to. But that's it. That's how you would export your CapCut videos on your Mac or Apple devices without the Pro version.